Hey guys, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically post new products to Pinterest from WooCommerce. For example, I own an online business and sell my products with the help of WooCommerce. I want as soon as a new product is created on my WooCommerce, automatically a new pin should be created in my Pinterest, which will help my followers to know more about the product and also boost the sales. And we can create this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen to show you how to create this and how this works. Welcome back to my screen. In this video, I will show you how to automatically turn every new WooCommerce product into a stunning Pinterest pin. So you can keep your followers upgraded, grow your reach and also drive more traffic to your stores without lifting even a finger. So here as you can see, this is the dashboard of my WooCommerce, which is a plugin of WordPress. So here as soon as I will add a new product, automatically a new pin will be created here in my Pinterest board. And this process can be done with the help of an amazing automation software called Pabbly Connect, where we will use WooCommerce and Pinterest. So now without wasting any time, let me tell you the procedure of how to create this amazing automation. For creating a new workflow, firstly we have to open a new tab, and here on search bar we have to search pabbly.com/connect and enter it. But before moving further, let me give you a quick brief about the Pabbly community. It is the community where business owners and tech mind connect, share their work, solve problems together and grow with real support and ideas from like-minded people. To join this community, we have the link given in our description. Now we are directed towards the home page of Pabbly. Here on the right hand side corner, you can see this sign up for free and sign in option. Sign up for free is for the new user, and here they can get 100 free tasks every month. And as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we have landed on this page. Here we can see all the apps powered by Pabbly. So today we will be using with Pabbly Connect over here. So for that we have to click on this Access Now button like this. Now we are directed towards this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we can create and manage all of our automation workflows in one place with Pabbly Connect dashboard. For creating a new workflow, firstly we have to go towards the right hand side corner and click on this Create Workflow button. Now here we can see two options for selecting a workflow builder, that is New Beta version and Classic version. The Classic version is traditional step-by-step layout that's stable and simple, but we will be using the new beta version today, which is more faster, flexible and also offers drag and drop interface, perfect for visualizing complex automations more easily. So we will click on this select button over here like this, and now here in this create workflow dialog box, firstly they're asking for mentioning a workflow name and selecting a folder. So firstly I will mention a name over here for my workflow, that is automatically post new products to Pinterest from WooCommerce. After writing my workflow name, here they're asking us for selecting a folder, as folders help us to organize our workflow. Here we can select folders or subfolders where we want to create the workflow. If you want to learn how you can create a new, here you will get a video tutorial and also all the steps you need to follow for creating a new folder. So as I have already created a folder, I will simply select my folder of automation from here, and now I will click on this create button. As you can see, workflow created successfully. Now we are directed towards this workflow builder page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the top left hand side you can see the workflow name which I have given, and also we have to toggle this button on to activate this workflow. Now coming to the center part of my screen, here you can see this add trigger option. For creating a workflow in Pabbly Connect, there is two very important aspects that we need to know about, that is triggers and action. So firstly, let me tell you what are trigger and action. Trigger is the starting point, the event that initiates the workflow, and action is the resulting task that happens automatically after the trigger. In short, trigger is when something happens and action is do it in response. So firstly, here we have to click on this plus icon and search for a trigger, that is WooCommerce. We are selecting WooCommerce as a trigger because we want as soon as a new product is created over here, automatically the pin is generated in our Pinterest. Now here for the app event, we have to select new order created, and now simply we have to click on this connect button. Now after clicking on the connect button, you can see this, we have received this webhook URL. This webhook URL will work as a bridge between our Pabbly Connect and our WooCommerce account. So firstly we have to copy this webhook URL from here, and now firstly we have to log in into our WordPress account, and then automatically we will be directed towards this WooCommerce, which is a plugin of WordPress. Now firstly here in our WooCommerce we need to add a webhook URL. So for that we have to go over here on settings option, and after coming to the settings we have to go towards this advanced option. After doing that, here you can see for page setup we have the option for webhooks. We have to click on this webhooks. So now as you can see, we are directed towards the page where we can add the webhook data. data. Firstly, we have to mention a name over here. So here, as I want to trigger it as soon as a new product is created, so I will simply write here new product. So like this, I have successfully written the name. After coming to the status, we have to click on this box and here we have to activate it. And the topic over here will be product created. So for that, we will search for product, and here as you can see, we got this option for product created. We will select this. Now coming to this delivery URL, here we have to paste the webhook URL which we got from a Pabbly Connect, like this. After filling all of these details, we have to click on the save webhook. Here as you can see, webhook updated successfully. Now I will again take you back to my Pabbly Connect. Now here as you can see, we have received this response 5 seconds ago, and this is our webhook ID. Now firstly, we have to click on this recapture response. Now here as you can see, again they're waiting for the webhook response. Now firstly, we will go back to our WooCommerce over here, and now here in the WooCommerce, we will create a new product. For that, we have to go towards this products option and click on this all products. After that, here on the top side corner, we can see this add new product option. So firstly, we have to go towards this option, and here you can see all the product which I have already created is mentioned over here. So now firstly, we will go towards this add new product. Now we are directed towards this page. Now here we can add a new product and also design how it should be. So now firstly, I will mention the product name over here, that is summer dress. So now here as you can see, I have given the name of my product. Now coming towards this product description. So here like this, I have given the product description for my summer dress. This summer friendly orange dress is light, breezy and bursting with sunshine vibes. Its vibrant hue and easy fit make it perfect for everyday wear. Now coming forward, we have to scroll down towards this left hand side corner, and here firstly we will add a product image. For that, we have to go towards this product image, set product image, blue text like this. Now here I have already uploaded some of the pictures. So I will select my orange color dress over here for summers, and now I will click on this set product image. So now here as you can see, this image is selected. Now moving forward, after writing the description and adding the product image, here we have to mention the regular price and sale price. So as the regular price of this dress is 1200 and the sale price will be 1000. So I have mentioned everything over here now. Now again coming to the left hand side, here we have product category. Here we have to select the categories of this product. So that is clothing and fashion. So I will select them both, and now I will click on this publish button. So now here as you can see, product published, and we can also view this product. So this is the new product which we have created. Also the price which we have mentioned over here is 1000 rupees and the previous price was 1200 rupees. So now we will again go back. Now firstly, I will take you to my Pabbly Connect account, and here as you can see, 7 seconds ago I received this response. So these are all the details which we have got from our WooCommerce after creating a new product, like the date, product name, and everything is mentioned over here, like summer dress, price, etc. Now we will simply close this from here, and now for the action step, we will choose Pinterest over here and select Pinterest as our trigger, as we want to create a new pin in our Pinterest account. And here for the app event, we will select this create a pin, as that was our objective. Now we have to click on this connect button. Now here we have two options, select existing connection and add new connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can move forward with select existing connection. But as I want to add a new connection, I will click on this, and now here I will connect it with Pinterest. But you have to keep this in mind that you have to open your Pinterest account already in your tab. Now we will click on this connect with Pinterest button, and now here they're asking us for accessing with the Pinterest account. So firstly, I will click on this give access button over here, as Pabbly is a very safe platform. Now here as you can see, connection created successfully. Now here we have options for board, image URL, title, description, etc. So now firstly, I will take you to my Pinterest account. Now here in my Pinterest account, I have already created some boards like e-commerce, skincare, trendy outfits. So I will simply go with this e-commerce store product, where I will create a new pin as soon as a new product is created on my e-commerce, that is WooCommerce. Now we will again go back to our Pabbly Connect, and now here for the board, we will select this e-commerce store products. Now moving forward, we have this board section ID. As this is not a permanent field, we can simply move forward, and now here we will add an image URL. Now instead of writing it manually, I will use here mapping. Now you will ask, what is mapping? So mapping in Pabbly Connect means linking data from one step to another. It allows dynamic transfer of values between triggers and action. Here mapping makes the field dynamic. So firstly, here for mapping the field of image URL, I will search here image, and now here as you can see, this is the URL which we have got. I will simply select this from here. Now moving forward, we have to provide a title. Title refers to the name of a product. So I will search for name over here. And now here, as you can see, this is the name of my product, summer dress. I will select it. Moving forward to the description. Here I will map for the description field. So this is my description for the summer dress. I will select it from there. Moving forward to this all text and image link. As these are not required field and I don't want to enter anything in these field, I will simply move forward and click on this save and send test request button. Now here, as you can see, I have received this response over here and successfully my pin is being created over there. Also you can see the ID number which is mentioned over here and the title of my new product. Now I will again take you back to my Pinterest account and refresh this. And now here, as you can see, in my e-commerce store product, this is the new pin which we have created for the orange summer dress. Also the description is mentioned over here. So similarly like this, you can also create this amazing automation where we chose WooCommerce as our trigger and Pinterest as our action. And as soon as a new product is created on WooCommerce, automatically it is sent as a pin on our Pinterest and also drive more customers and engagement to your products which you sell online. So you can also create this amazing automation with the help of clone link mentioned in our description. I hope this video was informative for you. Not just these applications, you can integrate many more applications like this with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now to connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Connect comes with some free plans. So what are you waiting for? Try this amazing automation today.